Hare Krishna, welcome. Please join the sloka, 13th chapter, 7th sloka.
इच्छाद्वेषः सुखं दुःखं सङ्गातश्चेतना धृतिः एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारम् उदाहृतम्.
Let us together enjoy. We are enjoying the explanations of Lord Krishna about the body, which is the field, and the knower of the field. Let us see what further explanations he is giving. Apart from the other field of activities included by him in the previous sloka, number 6, these two slokas are to be read together. For our ease of understanding, we are reading one by one. Krishna adds the following also to the list of activities, list of items. What are the items? Desire, hatred, happiness, distress. The aggregate of the 24 elements mentioned in the two slokas, the life systems, life symptoms, and convictions, all these are considered in summary to be the field of activities and its interactions. Such a comprehensive purpose and intent of this chapter can only be attributed to Krishna's efficient handling of any subject. Because if you see in the world, all the things that are going on can be listed under any of these items. It will not go beyond this. That is Krishna's method. He always says, Aseshena. Without a balance, he will teach completely. So, if you see all these items are the field of activities, and the overall thing is the interactions. Because one interacts with the other. Desire interacts with hatred. Hatred interacts with jealousy. Happiness is connected to friendship. Like that, anything is interacting with any other thing. It's a combination and permutation sometimes. All these are considered as the activities and interactions, and we will not go beyond these because there is no need. This is the Krishna's method, and one of the activities is desire. So we have a joke for desire. A girl, Sujata, is telling her mother, Mummy, I prayed to Krishna. I am not selfish. I prayed to Krishna, Krishna, I don't have desires. Just get a mom, my mom, a son-in-law, that's all. Then she automatically gets a husband. So Krishna knows that, na? He understands. See what he has done. The mother said, oh, very nice. Because of you only, your elder sister got an offer from a US boy. Fantastic. So, Krishna, while answering her prayer, satisfied her sister. So, you must be specific in what you are asking. You cannot cheat Krishna. Hare Krishna.